Are you tired of staring at the same old black Spotify interface every single day? What if I told you there's a way to completely change how your Spotify looks? New colors, new themes, extra features, and even tools that Spotify doesn't officially tell you about. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a full step-by-step process to customize your Spotify and make it look and feel amazing. You'll learn how to install custom themes, remove ads, add lyrics, and even bring new apps right inside Spotify. The best part? Everything you'll see here is completely free. If you find this guide useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Now, let's get started.
Step 1. Make sure you have the correct Spotify version. Before we can do anything, you need to have Spotify installed directly from the official Spotify website, not from the Microsoft Store. This step is extremely important because the customization tools won't work with the Microsoft Store version. Here's how you check. Open the Microsoft Store on your PC. Search for Spotify. If you see a button that says Open, that means your Spotify is the store version. You'll need to uninstall that version before continuing. To do that, go to your Start menu and open Settings. Choose Installed Apps, then search for Spotify. Click the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Once you've removed it, go to your browser and type Spotify Download in Google. Open the official Spotify website and click Download directly from Spotify. Install the version you just downloaded. This ensures you're using the correct version that supports customization. Step 2. Install Spotify from the official website. Once you've downloaded the installer, it's usually an exe file. Double-click it and go through the normal installation steps. After it's installed, log in to your Spotify account. From now on, this version will be the one we'll modify.
Step 3. Install Spicetify. Now that you have the right version of Spotify, it's time to install the tool that will allow us to customize it. The tool is called Spicetify, and you can find it at spicetify.app. I'll also leave the link in the description below the like button. Once you're on the Spicetify website, click Install. You'll see different instructions depending on your operating system. If you're using Windows, click the Windows option. You'll get a command that looks like a long string of text. Click the button to copy it. Next, go to your Start menu, type PowerShell, and open it. You don't need to run it as administrator. Now paste the command you copied earlier into PowerShell and press Enter. Spicetify will start installing automatically. During installation, you'll be asked if you want to install Spicetify Marketplace. Type Y and press Enter to confirm. Once it's finished, you should see the message, Spotify is spiced up. Spotify will open automatically, and on the left-hand side, you'll see a new button labeled Marketplace. That means Spicetify has been successfully installed.
Step 4. Remove ads from Spotify. Now that you have Spotify installed, let's make the listening experience even better by removing all ads, even on a free account. Here's how. Click on Marketplace in Spotify. In the search bar, type Ads. You'll see an extension called AdBlockify. Click on it. Press Install, then reload your Spotify client. After reloading, your Spotify will be completely ad-free. No interruptions, no banner ads, nothing. Just music.
Step 5. Add better lyrics. Next, let's add one of the best features: real-time, beautiful lyrics, even for free accounts. Go back to the Marketplace, and in the search bar, type Beautiful Lyrics. Click on it and select Install. After it installs, reload Spotify again. Now, when you play a song, for example, you'll see a new button called Lyrics Page. Click it and you'll get a clean, aesthetic lyric display that syncs perfectly with the music. It looks amazing and adds a whole new vibe to Spotify.
Step 6. Customize your theme. Now for the fun part, themes. Spicetify lets you completely change the look of Spotify using custom themes designed by other users. To browse themes, open Marketplace again. Click on Themes. You'll see dozens of beautiful designs. Some are minimal, others are colorful, and a few mimic different UI styles. Let's try installing one. Click Install. After that, reload Spotify to apply the theme. Immediately, you'll see how different everything looks. The colors, buttons, and layout will all have a unique style. If you want something cleaner, I highly recommend another theme called Lucid. It's inspired by Microsoft's Fluent design and looks modern and smooth. Install Lucid the same way, reload Spotify, and you'll instantly see the change. You can also tweak some settings by clicking the gear icon next to the theme name. There you can switch between a solid or animated background. It's all up to your taste.
Step 7. Add snippets for more features. Spicetify also supports something called snippets. These are small add-ons that change or improve how Spotify works. They can make album art rounded, hide certain UI elements, or add subtle animations. To install a snippet, go to Marketplace, then Snippets. Browse through the list until you find one you like. For example, try installing Rounded Now Playing Bar. Click Install, then reload your client. Now take a look. Your album covers, playlists, and thumbnails should all have smooth, rounded corners. It's a small change, but makes Spotify look much more polished.
Step 8. Install custom apps. Spicetify also lets you add custom apps that expand Spotify's functionality. These are more advanced add-ons that can add a music visualizer, listening history, or even stats. Let's install one example called History in Sidebar. In the Marketplace, click on it, and you'll be redirected to a GitHub page. Scroll down to the installation instructions. You'll see a command to copy. Grab it. Now, open your terminal, paste the command, and hit Enter. This will open your File Explorer inside the Spicetify folder. You'll also need to download the zip file from GitHub, extract it, and place the extracted folder inside the Custom Apps folder in Spicetify. Rename the folder History in Sidebar, exactly like that. Next, return to the terminal and run the command shown on the GitHub page. Then type another command, Spicetify apply. Press Enter and Spotify will restart. Now you'll notice a new History tab in your sidebar. This lets you easily view your recently played songs, a feature Spotify doesn't include by default.
Step 9. Uninstalling Spicetify. Optional. If you ever decide that you want to go back to the original Spotify interface, uninstalling Spicetify is very simple. Go to the Spicetify website, open the Uninstallation page, and follow the instructions for your operating system. For Windows users, copy the uninstall command from the website, open PowerShell, paste it, and press Enter. You'll see a warning. Click Paste Anyway to confirm. After that, open Spotify again, and you'll notice that the Marketplace button is gone. That means Spicetify has been completely removed, and you're back to the default Spotify client.
And that's it. You've just completely transformed your Spotify. From removing ads to installing new themes and features, your client now looks unique and performs better than ever. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more customization guides like this. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.